What if I told you that the greatest soccer rivalry in North America has produced more drama, passion, and incredible moments than any Hollywood blockbuster? The United States and Mexico have been battling for regional supremacy for decades. But which team truly stands above the other? Let's look at the numbers that tell this fascinating story. Mexico has historically dominated with 36 wins against the United States' 22 victories, with 15 draws between them. But here's where it gets interesting. The tide has been turning since 2000, with the United States winning more of their recent encounters. When it comes to World Cup appearances, Mexico takes the lead with 17 qualifications compared to the United States' 11. The Mexican team has reached the quarterfinals twice, both times when hosting the tournament in 1970 and 1986. The United States' best finish was reaching the semifinals, but that was back in 1930 during the first ever World Cup. In regional competitions, both teams have impressive trophy cabinets. Mexico has captured the CONCACAF Gold Cup 11 times, while the United States follows closely with 7 titles. However, in the last decade, the Americans have proven themselves as worthy rivals, winning crucial matches when it matters most. Looking at player development, Mexico has traditionally produced more internationally recognized talent, with stars playing in Europe's top leagues. But the United States has been catching up rapidly, with young talents like Christian Pulisic, Weston McKennie, and Giovanni Reyna making waves in prestigious European clubs. The FIFA rankings tell another compelling story. As of 2023, both teams frequently trade positions within the top 15 nations globally, showing just how close this rivalry has become. Mexico's highest ever ranking was 4th, while the United States peaked at 8th. What makes this rivalry truly special is how it transcends soccer. These matches reflect the complex relationship between two proud nations, their cultures, and their people. The passion in the stands matches the intensity on the field, creating an atmosphere unlike any other in international soccer. Recent years have shown that there's no clear dominant force anymore. Each team has its strengths. Mexico's technical skill and tactical discipline versus the United States' athletic power and growing tactical sophistication. Their matches have become so competitive that predicting a winner is nearly impossible. The truth is, both teams have elevated each other through their fierce rivalry. Mexico's historical advantage is being challenged by the United States' rapid development, creating a fascinating power dynamic that continues to evolve with each encounter.